Is it playing?
It's not playing yet.
Look at Lego! Let's see if I'm here. What? I'm trying to film it. You guys. It's working. Did it come out? I think it did. Okay, this one. Okay. What are you doing? You're like swimming. You're like, it was hot. It was when you sit on it.
Why are you doing this?
It went away. This
Why?
is what happens when Amber gets grass stains on her jeans. And then she wants to go to the mall. Yeah. You don't walk around the mall, you know, I have like, it's still there. It is not. Yeah, you see the 2 dots? I'm being pro. You see that? I see the 2 dots.
Can you just stop it? Just do the dry thing again.